Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I'll show you how to remove Face ID on iPhone. So first thing is you could just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your device. And now guys, once you are on the settings, scroll down until you find over here Face ID and password. Go ahead and select that option and it will let you provide your passcode. So if you have a fast code into your phone, just simply provide it. And now from here, you could just simply go ahead and scroll down until you find over here reset face ID. And pretty much when you tap on this, this will permanently delete your facial data from the device and select reset face ID. And now you should be able to remove your face ID on your phone. And if you want to set it up again, you could just simply tap on a set of face ID and just simply do the usual process to register your face. Pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And guys, if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below and we will do our best to answer them all. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.